As the Earth rotates on its axis while revolving around the Sun, it creates time. Consequently, as time goes by, it creates an age for humans. Today, a human was born. She's an SSS Department Manager 3. Ma'am Tess is what her colleagues called her, and is now celebrating her 60th birthday. Hence, this video was created for her.
May your 60th birthday bring you with overflowing love, joy, and happiness with your loved ones. And may the Lord God bless you with good health and more blessings a life can bring. Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess!
Hello, Tess. Good morning. Another year is added in your life. As today, or April 9, is your birthday, your 60th birthday. May this special day of yours bring you an endless joy, happiness, a strong bond with your family, prosperity, and above all, good health.
Hi, Ma'am
For me, for me, the 60th birthday is such a milestone in one's life. It is such an achievement of a person's life because not everyone reaches the age of 60. Some of us, some of our colleagues have already expired. Some have resigned and they were not able to retire in SSS at the age of 60. And even some of us have already secured insurance plan sa St. Peter ni Ronnie because they are not certain that they would be able to reach at the age of 60. So reaching the age of 60 is really such an achievement. Okay, so as we celebrate your birthday, I would like to share this opportunity to my colleagues, my team heads, to also express their warm greetings, birthday greetings to you. And I will start with Anissa. Okay, excited na kayo siya ganina.
Hi, Ma'am Tess. Happy 60th birthday. Actually, nasuti na tanan ni Sir June. Wala akong naka-prepare. I just wish you happy birthday. Stay healthy and stay hydrated. Kay init ka. Pasa
Go,
na po.
go.
Hi, Ma'am Tess. Happy 60th birthday. Have a blessed and wonderful celebration of the gift of life. Again, happy 60th birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Damel?
Ila English man, ako Bisaya lang. Hi, Ma'am Tess. Maayong ika-60 ka tuig nga pagselebrar sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Ang imong adlaw na tawhan baya gid karon, hapit matunong sa imong adlaw gyud na tawhan. Masakit na, happy birthday.
The next one will draw by Lot. The next will send his message is Miko!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Sunod si
Once more.
Peter.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. Wishing you all the desires in life will come true. Enjoy, don't be stressed. Enjoy life.
Next is Ronnie. Look. Gikan ni.
Mutesa ta ko niya. Sulti majakuan ng karaho. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Ano na lang tingali, oy? Sunod si Geraldine.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. Continue to live a good life.
Next is Dayan.
The floor is yours.
Happy birthday.
Next,
Army.
Marmay.
Chloe.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Wishing you all the best.
Next is Ara.
Happy birthday, Mom. Wish you genuine happiness.
Next is Next is Jeros.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. Stay healthy lang.
Okay. Oh, di na to. Nang palagpason ng atong pasultiod, ang best friend si Yin Yin.
Happy birthday niya. Nag-seems lagi in English ug Bisaya lahi ako. Kaso Spanish. Feliz cumpleaños. Espero que the food is good. Happy birthday and enjoy your day.
Pinali ka na.
Translation.
Again, ang test, we wish you a happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo! Maligayang bati! Maligayang bati! Maligayang bati sa'yo! Pulot!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. Hi, Ma'am Tess. On your birthday, I want to take this moment to let you know that we in the SMEC family are very grateful for having you as our censor boss. You take care of us and you hold us dear. You deserve all the happiness in the world, Ma'am Tess, 100 times more. Have a fantastic 60th birthday full of wonder and cheer. For whatever challenges you have from this day onward, just deal with the pressure because that's how diamonds are made. May the Lord Almighty will continue to bless you a long life full of peace, joy, and love. Happy birthday and enjoy the moment. Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess!
Hi, Ma'am Tess! The admin ladies are here to wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you that this day to be a special day as you are so special to us. May you enjoy your day with so much fun and joy and love. This is simply because you are surrounded with beautiful people like us. Diba, girls?
Yes!
So, Ma'am Tess, Here's to cheer you with another year of making memories and archiving dreams. Happy birthday, Martes!
Happy birthday, boss! Malipayong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw natawhan, Ma'am Tess. Ako niyan po sa labang makagahom sa katawa kahitasan nga ikaw hatagan pagdaghang mga katuigan nga ikaw magasilibrar sa imong adlaw natawhan. Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. May God bless you and more blessings to come. And thank you for sending me gift every Christmas, even though wala na ko dira sa PC, but still you still remember me as one of your OAS daughters before. Thank you so much and may God bless you more.
Hi, Ma'am Tess. Happy 60th birthday. Dako kayo ang akong pagpasalamat kanimo tungod kay imo kaming gihatagan o imo kaming gimatuto, imo kaming gigiyahan isip usa ka inahan sa milabay nga usa ka dekada ug kapin sa kanhiay operations accounting section. You're a source of great inspiration. Where you are today is truly remarkable. I do believe and I pray that the Lord Almighty will open the windows of heaven and pour you out His blessings, that there's no room enough to receive it. Again, happy birthday, and may you have a fantastic celebration. God bless.
Hi, Ma'am Tess. Happy birthday. I wish you happiness, a peace of your heart and in your mind. Always smile. Life is too short. You'll enter another milestone of your life. Be happy always. And God bless.
Hi, boss. Parang kailan lang. Happy birthday, boss. God bless and enjoy life.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Uy! Hi! Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
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 Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess!
Oh! Hi, Ma'am Tess. I'm so glad I met such a kind and inspiring person like you. Too bad wala ko ka-try nga ma-underning mo. Happy 60th birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tess. We wish you all the happiness and in good health and more birthdays to come, Ma'am Tess. God bless.
God bless.
We're bringing it back.
만났어. 그러다가 이제 내가 졸라 매일같이 있고 싶다 졸라. 나는 이제 시작인데 너는 벌써 끝나버렸어. 아무 말 말고 전화 받아. Second-hand unwind. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. If you're lost, you can look and you will find me. Time after time. If you fall, I will catch you. I'll be waiting. Time after time. After my picture fades and darkness has turned to gray, watching through windows, you're wondering if I'm okay.